Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Subscribe to be part of the shopping squad. We go shopping several times a day, so I'm at Burlington shopping. I see this Calvin Klein for $20 and a $25 tie-dye, $17, a $19.99 t-shirt dress. So I'm starting out here in the dresses. At first I thought they were shirts because they have a lot of t-shirt dresses. So I'm just gonna show you a lot of dresses here for starters. And they have a lot of summer dresses right now. So for 25, summer 16, 20, this one's 20. So Calvin Klein has a lot of t-shirt dresses. $11 short black dress, sleeveless. And that blue one is $15. And this black and white striped is just $8. I like this orange one. It looks like it'd be cute, like if you went to Hawaii. And it's just $11. $25. So it looks like the most the dresses are $25. And then they have like $8 dresses. Now this is kind of like a kimono, or like a little cardigan, little neon green Calvin t-shirt dress, super cute. So today when I was shopping, somebody made the alarm go off again, so I'm thinking it's just a normal thing here at Burlington for the alarm to go off. Because in one of my other videos, they actually stopped a lady for making the alarm go off. This time the lady just walked right through and they didn't stop her, so I don't know. Maybe it was a false alarm again. Maybe they're so used to false alarms that they don't even stop people. Who knows, but apparently these stores, they have, what do they call them? Like, it's not security, but it's like a loss prevention specialist. So they're supposedly always watching you while you shop. So I guess if someone left and the alarm went off and they knew they didn't steal anything, maybe they just let them go. But they have so many super cute dresses for spring here at Burlington. And I don't wear dresses very much because I'm very picky about my dresses. Now this was the only dress I saw that I would maybe wear, this white one, because I don't really like sleeveless dresses, and I don't really like real short dresses like this one. So my dresses have to be just right, but I know a lot of people will wear the sleeveless dresses and put a jean jacket over it, so that's an option. But I was wanting to try to wear dresses because I want to embrace my feminine side. I think as women, sometimes we start wearing jeans and t-shirts and we put our hair in a bun, and we forget, like, we have James Charles and Jeffree Star out here looking better than us, and we are women and we need to embrace it and we need to love it and look good every once in a while, I know it's good to be comfortable, but we don't want to get too stuck in that comfort zone. So that's something I'm working on this year, is to be more feminine. I'm very girly, but I'm girly like I'll wear a pink hoodie or a pink camo hoodie. You know what I mean? So I'm not like girly where I'll wear a dress. So I need to work on that. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Burlington. I'm sure to go back. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.